So we're down to the final operations basically on the outer bearing adapter. So hopefully this is part 4 and final. So what we're doing, Andy's running the CNC lathe here basically, and we're putting it in this way to start with. We're going to hit it with some sandpaper, clean this up a little bit, make sure there isn't anything too rough there, get the little burr that might be on the end, handy burr it here, and then we'll flip it around and let the CNC do the cutoff. And by doing it that way, the burr primarily goes with this. So then we can do a little file and then deburr the inside, and then the piece is finished. So I'm explaining it now because, you know, with the controller running and the noise and everything like that, I'll probably just blank out the noise, turn the sound down kind of thing, and not have to talk over it. So now you know what's going on, now you can just watch it. You know, when you put it in there, you can just rotate it. You're not going to hurt anything. You put it in there, that's not as comfortable, just rotate it.
Oh, yeah. That last one that was smoking was the first one that like had so much buildup on it. So I don't know if that was just dragging more.
Yeah, and if the chips don't move away, they don't take the heat with it. I think I might have to take this cover off and put the oil in that shaft. Okay, now look at the camera, go, and that's gas.
Told you that doesn't need to be our thing. You could record all of them for a while and then put them in one bonus episode.
I could edit this out and put this up as a special one for Facebook. Andy cutting metal and gas at the same time.
I didn't do anything. Blame that on me.
Ah, see, you couldn't tell it didn't come from you.